It is December 22nd, only a few days till Christmas, and we have decided to take the kitchen apart. We're gonna wait till after the new year and said, let's do it now. So we dropped ceiling in here. It was pretty bad, and took all of that down. I didn't, Danny did. We're gonna redo all the lighting in here, just like we had to do in the living room. And because the pipes and things were cut into, Danny had to build a soffit around the whole top of the cabinets. And then what we're gonna do is keep these cabinets, raise them all the way up. We're gonna paint them first. That's something I'm gonna actually do. And then we're gonna raise them all the way up, so we'll get about 3.5 more inches in here, and then everything's gonna be sheetrocked. And of course the ugly wallpaper is going, and everything's being repainted and fixed. This cabinet is going to be used in the basement because we don't need it. And then the floor, I'll keep you posted. Happy New Year. It's January 4th. I haven't made a video in a while, but very slow process painting cabinets, but getting there. Soffit's in, the molding is in. Cabinets are already hung. Put a second coat on some of them. But it makes a big difference considering this is what they originally looked like. And we just need to install some lights. There's still a lot to do, but definitely getting there. Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday, January 9th, I guess. So the cabinets finally put the bottoms back on, but we're going to wait until after the countertop guy comes and measures tomorrow. So that'll be good. We're going to get the dishwasher in. We took the wall cabinet out that was here in the middle of the way and not useful. Not sure what we're going to do yet, but it's definitely coming along, and hopefully by the middle of this week finally have an oven. Everybody, it's January 22nd, and no, been a month, but the kitchen is almost done. The countertops were installed yesterday, and look, the refrigerator won't be here for another couple of weeks, but that's okay. And here's the countertops. Now today we can go nice and dry now, and we can install the rest of the plumbing and the appliances. Put the doors back on. And then it's just pretty much painting and tiling. So it's going. It's slow. But they came yesterday and installed everything, and it came out great. Update you soon. Hello, it's January 27th, and the kitchen is finally done. I'm going to take you for a walk around. Show you our beautiful floor, which does go into the dining room, which is a disaster, so we're not going to look at that. What we did do was, this was a full wall cabinet. We took this out, and we're going to get a small dining table for in here. And very small, so it doesn't block the doors. And that's to our side porch, and that's to the basement. It's the same wall color as in the bathroom upstairs. And I'll turn on the light, which all of the lighting is new. A couple of quick touch-ups to do, but other than that, it's ready to clean and decorate. So we did repaint the cabinets. They were really nice, and we wanted to salvage them because other than them being really ugly and dirty, they're really great cabinets. They're heavy duty. We changed the knobs, painted everything, raised them up. We did have to build a soffit around the entire kitchen to hide the pipes and wires that were in the old ceiling and the drop ceiling. So that made the ceiling higher, which meant we could raise the cabinets up 3 whole inches, and then painted, and we added this molding around the top that matches what's on the floor. And we have our appliances are all in. Just nice, clean, white GE appliances. The countertops were in last Friday. This tile was what we had left over, and decided to make our own backsplash. Large sink, which I love. The other sink that was here was a double sink, and it was really, really small. So this is really nice. It's really deep. It's almost 10 inches deep, and I always wanted one of these. So that's pretty fun. And the cabinets go all the way around. There are a lot of cabinets. Brand new dishwasher. The only thing we're still waiting for is the refrigerator, which is delayed and not coming until next Saturday. And it will match the rest of the appliances. Originally, we were planning on keeping this refrigerator, but it has decided in the last 2 weeks to start being very noisy. Plus, it's kind of ugly. So, it's all done. Now I have to put all my appliances back and decorate and unpack some of the kitchen boxes from the pod. And the only room left is the dining room. That's it. So, thanks for watching.